Thank you for being the infinite calm in the storm. Thank you for being an inexhaustible light in the darkness. Thank you for being a mother and for the children you have given me. Thank you for being your life and what my life steers. Thank you for being stone, iron, steel in the adversity. Thank you for being water for my never-ending thirst. Thank you for being on top of all, friend, lover, wife. Thank you for being sweet medicine for my deranged soul. Thank you for being the nutrient for my hungry poetry. Thank you for being in my grove, medlar, papaya, guava, plum. Thank you for being the nest where my soul may rest. Thank you for being in my garden, carnation, jasmine, dahlia, passionflower. Thank you for being your red lips, what my love summons. Thank you for being, on earth, the most amorous woman.